Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Cardo Systems PackTalk Bold motorcycle helmet intercom Bluetooth and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. First is troubleshooting. If the intercom will not connect to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing with your device, or if it's not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if it keeps disconnecting, if you're having any kind of sound issues, if it's not responding, all that kind of stuff can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The second reason that you might want to do this is if you just want to clear out all of the pairing history and get a fresh start connecting this with a new device as though it were coming out of the box. We can do this because it will restore the factory default settings to it. But if you would like to do that, we can go ahead and get started. It's very easy. With our intercom in standby mode, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to find the play button, the Wi-Fi button, and the talk button. So that's the little Wi-Fi symbol, the phone symbol, and then the little triangle play. And we're going to press and hold those three buttons for 5 seconds, simultaneously hold the three buttons until the little indicator light starts to blink slowly several times, at which point we can let go and our intercom is reset to its factory default settings.